my YouTube channel. I just realized something very crazy. It's only 99 days left for this year to get over. I went on a little shock because it felt like this year just started and we had our new year reels going up on Instagram, and suddenly is only 99 days left. But there is a but. Even if 99 sounds very small, you will be getting 99 mornings to wake up and try different things. 99 chances to be the better version of yourself that you want to be. 99 chances to push yourself hard to make your manifestation lists get fulfilled. I don't want to waste these 99 days. I will be setting few goals. So I will be using this notepad which says every day is a fresh start. This year wasn't very perfect for me. Like, I felt stuck. There was a lot of ups and downs, a lot of financial issues, and a lot of things that happened in my life. And there were times that I felt really stuck and I questioned myself, my abilities, and I felt that am I doing enough or not. But then today I realized that you don't need a new year to start over. You just need a decision. So I want these last 99 days to be the start of something better and not just a normal countdown to January. So here I wrote 99 days left to 2026. Things to start for a better me. So the first thing is self-care, and under self-care the first things comes skincare. I have to be more consistent with my skincare routine. There are times I feel tired and I go off to sleep not doing any skincare, which I feel is very bad. So I have to be consistent with it. I have to eat clean, which I am doing for the last 21 days because I have turned into a proper vegetarian, an eggitarian you can say, because I have eggs, okay, but I don't have meats anymore, so no non-veg. In spite of being a full non-vegetarian since childhood, like I am born and brought up in a family where I have eaten fish, chicken every day, like every single day, so it was not easy for me, but I did it for my own good and also for certain spiritual reasons. I'll share that in details on some other video. Next is I need to sleep on time, which I don't do because of doom scrolling reels. And move your body, even if it's for 15 minutes. I need to do some yoga or anything. The next things comes YouTube. YouTube is my dream, is my passion, and this is the one reason for which I have quit my job. So I have to be really consistent on YouTube. Like, I put up 2 videos a week and I have to maintain that efforts. I really want to put efforts, because even if 20 people are watching me, they should feel like they have invested in the right channel, and I don't have any right to waste their time. Next, so I'm coming to personal growth. Personal growth means I particularly need to stop comparing myself, because when I see my friends on Instagram going on trips to Goa and to NYC and everywhere, going on cafes, and when I find myself sitting down at the bed corner and just overthinking about my career and life, I compare my life with them and I feel very demotivated, and that in turn hampers my work, which I really need to stop. Yesterday I saw one reel. Guy was showing that we always ask God that it's I do a very hard job, and he throws away the laptop. And then on the next scene it is shown that really, and then there were pictures of people who are sitting on streets begging for money, little children who are actually going around to people and asking for money. So life is not that hard for you as we always felt, you know. Next is I have to do more journaling and reduce screen time. This is the thing that I really need to implement. I still live in that generation where YouTube people used to binge on long videos, and I still do. And yeah, more journaling. I need to journal more because I know that's really something that gives you a lot of positivity. Okay, so I am done with this, and this is my to-do list. I know this list sounds very easy, but just imagine if anyone could actually follow this daily, regularly, then it's just life changing. And so I have one challenge for you all watching my video now. You pick up any one challenge for the rest 99 days. Okay, anyone. It doesn't have to be the exactly the same things I am doing, and it doesn't also have to be all the things. You pick up anyone, like it can be quitting sugar, it can be like reducing screen time, it can be studying, it can be anything you want to do it for the rest 99 days straight. Just pick up one, that's your challenge, and if you can really complete it, then come back to my video and comment. Okay, so if you are into this video till now, then you're my soulmate and I love you for that. Comment your 99-day goal. Just write 99-day goal, give a dash, and just write one goal that you want to achieve. I really want to read each and every single comment. Okay, so do that. And I really don't know where I'll be on the 31st night of December, but I just know that I didn't wasted the last few days of the previous year and entered with a better version of myself. So that was it for today's video. Hope you got a little motivated like I did, and we'll be meeting up very soon with some other video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Toodles.
Like